my people, how are you all doing today? Welcome to my channel. I'm good, thank God for the privilege of life. Yeah, today I was challenged by a Nigerian YouTuber based in Onitsha, Dasylvia Onu, about how her husband proposed to her, Tori. This is the kind of Tori I like. Yes, this is the kind of Tori I love telling. So guys, I want to share my own experience. They say old wines are thirsty. You know, when you remember the OGs, the old story, oh my God, you feel like telling it every day. Yes, I have a gist. I have a story. Are you married? Gather. Yes, this is for married people. Come share your own. Gather, gather, gather. Even if you're not married, gather too. This is original Tori from the original teller, from the right source. So guys, grab your seat, grab your popcorn, grab a cup of wine or water. Relax. I get a lot of Tori. They don't open my mouth. It is kind of thing. Now the thing that they like. So let's gist.
Means that you'll come home to me once you travel the world, all the spaces inside your heart. I hope I'll be your destination. I hope I'll be your life-changing sensation.
Hello, welcome back to my channel. Are you seeing this channel for the first time? Hi, my name is KAMSI'S. I'm a mom YouTuber based in Lagos, Nigeria. In my channel, our daughter and mom cooks together in the kitchen, and the essence of doing that is just to, you know, let people know that you can have fun while cooking in the kitchen, no matter the age. So my two daughters are cooking and all of us are doing the cooking. We also do videos on vlogs and lifestyle. Yeah, today I want to share my wedding proposal, or I want to share a story. I want to share my experience, how my husband proposed to me. Hey, oh boy. You know, they say old wines are thirsty. And when you remember the past and it's always fresh in the memory, you know, it's just like yesterday and you feel like telling it. Honestly, this is the kind of story I like. And Dasylvia Onu challenged that people should come and tell their story. And you know, the amazing thing about this is that this particular month of February is my month. Yes, I call it my month. Why? Because I celebrate two important things in my life in the month of February. One of it is my wedding anniversary. Yay. That's why I was forced to tell this story. Yes, this month is my wedding anniversary, and secondly, my first child, my womb opener's birthday. So two things are happening in my life every month of February. I don't joke with it. So when I watched Dasylvia's video, I said, I must share my own. You know, they say old wines are thirsty. Though in as much as it's been a while, it's been long, but it's just like just yesterday. Yeah. Where do I come in? How do I start? I just want to go straight to the challenge. I'm not telling any other story. More stories are coming. They don't open my mouth. Now that kind of story that they like, Oh, are you drinking? Drink your water. I'm coming, please. You know, this kind of story, you don't rush it. Yeah, I don't rush this kind of story. They sweet to me, and this is my month. So that fateful day, I remember that fateful day. That was in the year 2005. Don't say, it don't say. I think 16 years to, oh my God. But it feels like 16 days. To God be the glory. Is there just by the grace of God. Anyways, yeah, guys. I and my husband, we got to know each other. We are like friends, best of friends. And then when he approached me, I know where he was going to. Yeah, when you meet a matured person, they don't hide their feelings, they don't hide their intention. They show it. In as much as he wasn't straight. He didn't tell me this is why I am here, or this is why I want to be with you. You know, they say action speaks louder than voice. So through the actions, through the conversations, I was convinced that yes, we're gonna end together. But he was just taking his time, and at the same time, I was in school, and I believe he would just want to, allow me finish my education. Yeah.
Hello viewers, welcome to KAMSI'S.
Hey! Zara that does wonders in the kitchen. Say hi.
Hi.
Okay. I think the day it happened, that was my final year. We finished our exams, the final paper. I didn't know that my husband had already made arrangements with his cousin. And my best friend didn't tell me anything. And I think she got to know a few days to our final exam. That was when they told her. Because we in our department, we gather money to go and do some refreshments after the final exam. So I have already contributed mine. So if had it been she knew about it, she wouldn't have allowed me to, pay some amount for the contribution everyone was doing. So that fateful day, my higher institution was in the eastern part of Nigeria, and he was and still in Lagos. So after the final papers, being so happy, jubilating that wow, thank God that we are able to make it at finals. So everyone was just celebrating. We are throwing sachet water on us. That is the mark of celebration. So just going on, and throughout my school days, I stayed in the hostel. So we, that jubilation, everybody running around, both guys, both ladies, we are just running around jubilating. We are jubilating. So 2 or 3 people, I think I can remember 2 or 3 people, we are just gathered, narrating, thanking God for the privilege, exchanging greetings. I noticed that some guys, or some people, not only guys, we are, communicating with I, I didn't get it. I was discussing with 3 people, including my best friend. We are just talking, discussing, and I noticed that these people are just using I, to communicate. That kind of a thing now. During final year, during final exam, anything can happen because of all these, strong guys. You understand? If you understand what I mean, all these strong guys. So I said, this is what they're using I to give. Make I check everything that happened. So where I go, make I know where I go put my head. I beg, it saved my life. So immediately I turned. Behold, my hubby was already on the floor with a ring. Hey! I didn't even know what carried me because then I was so slim, so tiny, like I lowercase. I flew up. Breeze just carried me. I ran away. Because the proposal was unexpected. I never ever thought about it. You know, because he's a very quiet person. He like his own space. I thought maybe it can be maybe in a quiet environment, in a quiet way, you know, being his kind of person. I never knew he can come out boldly in the public. Yes, because in the public, you know, school now, both people that are passing by, students that are going to the hostel, it happened in front of our hostel, female hostel. Come and see now. I ran and some people, they ran after me, grabbed me. They grabbed me, brought me back to him. I don't get choice now. Yeah, because I know that definitely such a thing will happen, but I never expected it in that, you know, in that environment. I don't have a choice than to say Y-E-X with capital letter. Yeah, you know, sometimes when I remember that incident, I laugh. Wow, but it was awesome. Honestly, I really appreciate that. I think, thank God I said yes. So if I don't say yes, I'm gonna say no other person can tolerate me. I think it's the will of God anyway. It's the will of God. So guys, that is how my hubby proposed to me. That was in 2005, and today is 2021. That is 16 years. Oh, more. You don't say. And this month of February is actually my wedding anniversary month and my son's birthday. Honestly, I'm so grateful. And OGBONO Onu came on this month to crown it, to tell our story. More story is coming. I've not told you guys how we met. Hey, do you want to hear more story? Because the story, the book of story don't open. It don't open. Hey, now share. I'm gonna give up 1, 2, 3. So guys, keep staying in this channel to hear more story. For you to stay, there's a red button there. Smash it. Subscribe. And remember to leave the bell icon on so that whenever we post a new video, you are the first to grab it. And please guys, watch this video. My girls are doing wonders in my kitchen. They are the best cook in the whole wide world. Yes, so when you're so please watch this video to encourage my girls. I just released this video yesterday. Please watch. Thank you so much for watching. For my old subscribers, oh my God, I really appreciate. Like Zara used to say, God bless you. God bless you, my subscribers, and those that have not subscribed. Do that. It doesn't take anything. You don't spend money on it, okay? Just encourage your people, bringing new content to you, okay? Yeah, guys, thank you so much for watching. See you in our next video. Bye.